no ri wangi korwo getereire muraika ri hindi mathagu marathondekwo
na nio magoka na karumbeta kaguo
eri mathagu marathondekwo
itu ria iko kogo ri ko ria makamba kuma
oguo ri goko ni muraika wetereire ri reke tukiuge in the process gwithondekwo koguo you still got time no ko ni mundu wa thina wetereire ri maguo ko munyitanite moko thaici mugitembea pamoja seeing where it can go wrong and maundu maria mugota go solve maria mutangihota ri you call it quit and you move on and you move on and you move on aiko ko TikTok ni ndironete mutumia akiwa na miaka 52 na nderetha mundu inyui
kubaya ni mbaya
soko ni mbaya
inyui no murakiona uria Mwangi arenda Kamau uria tuthiite riu na ithu ndona maundu mathiite macenjetie na Akawanjiku na Jane riu maundu marathio magicenjetie riu you also need to learn how to live on your own.
Whether you wait for long or you do it immediately, you might still experience the same.
Njia ni ile
utiramakania kana urahikio ni mundu mukuru kana urahikio ni mundu mwithi othe mwambagiriria hamwe kuhikania
no ngetera ati anga udeti mundu atanga miaka kenda nigetha umumenye wega no ngio no mwire next month turariha nyumba igiri ciake the experience will be the same.
That's the constant.
Yes.
It's always about matters of the heart because anybody the problem is that na ne hojeraga andu athina umakorete muno ni ati mostly andu aya matihoyaga athuri ndutwaraga ita prayer item ni matwaraga maundu maingi muno makiria no ni undu wa maundu maria maiguite na uria monete ri ukona iyo ndiagu ukorwo iki
a prayer item
reason being urathikiriria everywhere ukaigua uria marriage ira malfunction ukaigua relationship uria itarathie na mbere koguo undu ucio uthiaga slowly by slowly ukiwagagira ki na ihinda riaku nawe ria kinya ati ni ria gukigua ati ni urakenda kuhika ri you don't put it as a prayer item
ona ukituika ati no woka no waingira kuo ukagira kuo wetereirio nawe no uriuma uria ari angi maraima
no ko hiyo na nduri no ndu ucio ri uingiraga in a very awkward position within yes no atonya but in a very awkward position such that the foundation is very shaky.